DongGuan Ikinor Technology Company Limited. Focus on the production and development of interactive displays. We have both infrared touch and capacitive PCAP touch technology applied on our interactive displays. We have sizes from 55-inch to 110-inch. All-in-one touchscreen interactive panel, including interactive flat panel display, smart blackboard, and interactive whiteboard. They are widely used for smart education and conference. With professional engineers, workers, and management team, we supply our products with high quality, reasonable price, and good services. With the rapid development of the company, the factory area has been upgraded to 30,000 square meters from year 2022 with over 100 workers. What's more, we have leading optical bonding production line and auto-assembling production lines, experienced and skillful workers cooperating with the production lines to improve production efficiency, and focus on providing customers with better products and services. After years' development, our factory standardized its management and quality systems, introducing ERP systems in factory and warehouse management. Our interactive screens passed CE, FCC, EMC, ROS certifications. Especially, we consider after-sale maintenance cost, our monitor design with modular structure and hardware. Its installing structure is suitable for fast assemble and disassemble. Easy for customer if you purchase SKD/CKD interactive monitor. Ikinor advertised its products by attending trade exhibitions overseas, cooperating with platforms like Made in China, Alibaba, and so on. Especially, we would be glad to visit your company to present more about products and Ikinor Company. Further, you're welcome to visit our company, and we're looking forward to working with you. We welcome OEM and ODM orders, whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application. You can feel free to talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We are also keeping searching and developing our new products to satisfying new demands from customers.